Does your desk organizer feel a little too ordinary? In this video, we'll show you how to turn flat images into personalized storage boxes using the image to keychain generator. By adjusting the width and thickness, you can create unique designs that fit your style. You need to have any Bambu Lab 3D printer equipped with an AMS for the best results. To begin, go to Maker World, then click Maker Lab in the left toolbar. Launch the Image to Keychain tool and upload your image. It's recommended to choose images with smooth outer edges. If the edges are too detailed, use AI tools to smooth them beforehand. After uploading the image, complete the basic pre-processing steps. Once you are done, click Confirm. We have now entered the color matching stage. Select 4 colors for automatic matching. Next, click Confirm. In the color matching panel on the right, click the color blocks to manually adjust colors in specific areas. Click the Cleanup button to remove unwanted colors with a single click. Go to Plate and Thickness, then Preview. Next, set the base thickness to 1.5. This determines the strength of the base. Enable Stroke option and set the thickness to 15 millimeters. This determines the actual depth of the box. Set the width to 1 millimeter. This defines the wall thickness of the storage box. Next, we shall adjust the image thickness. Set it to 0.5 millimeters. At this point, the main structure of the storage box is complete. Once everything looks good, export the file in 3MF format. Import the file into Bambu Studio. Then, confirm your printer model and ensure the filament colors match those in the design. Click Slice Plate to slice the file, then send it for 3D printing. By adjusting the width and thickness settings in the Image to Keychain generator, you can create a variety of storage box designs. We hope this inspires you. Give it a try.